Really?
Coming.
Really?
Coming.
Okay.
Coming.
Okay.
Why is there all this stuff in your way?
I don't know.
Coming.
Are you having difficulties?
Coming.
Difficulties?
So, well, what's up with you?
Well, I've just been wasting some time on the Facebook.
The Facebook.
One and only.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Possum.
Yeah, everyone's talking about Twilight. The new Twilight.
What's Twilight?
It's a book.
Book. You said movie.
Vampire made into a movie.
Vampire made a movie.
No. It's a book about vampires made into a movie.
Who would write a book about vampires?
A Mormon.
A Mormon.
Yes. Named Stephanie Meyer. She says the whole damn plot came to her in a dream. Where'd you go? Where are you?
I'm just thinking. I'm thinking.
I'm talking to you.
Yes.
Okay. She says the whole plot came to her in a dream one night.
Everybody
loves it. Can't get
like an
enough of it.
LSD trip.
Pretty much.
Okay.
Everybody loves it.
Dream.
Can't get enough of it.
Yes.
Drives all the girls crazy. Everyone's crazy about it.
Awesome.
Everyone.
You like it?
Everyone loves it.
Everyone. So
Lots and lots of
people like it.
Lots of people like it.
I'm going shopping then.
Yeah, alright.
Okay, bye.
I'm going to get back on the Facebook. Click, clack, click, clack, click, clack, click, clack. Oh, God. Click, clack. More Twilight. Oh, I can't stand this. Click, clack, type. Click, clack, type. Why? Click, clack, type. Oh. Click, clack, type. Click, clack, type. Oh, dear Lord. So much Twilight everywhere. I can't stand Twilight. Ugh.
Maria.
Oh, Molly's home. Yes,
Maria,
yeah.
I went shopping just for you, so
Oh,
you
did you have
like
fun?
me. So now you like me.
What'd you get you?
Oh, just some clothes.
Oh.
Snuggy.
Oh, Snuggy, come on, parade
So
it
now
around.
I'll be like pretty and comfortable, and you like me.
Parade me around. What is that?
This.
Yes.
You like, right?
No.
But it's Twilight.
No.
Twilight.
Hate Twilight.
Hot Boy Sparkle.
Nope.
But it says
Nope.
I almost tell you.
No.
Hot Boy.
No!
Edward.
No! Wardrobe!
Bella.
It's off for now!
Hot Boy Sparkle.
Now! Now!
Why do I keep getting taken off?
I need another one. Not happening fast enough. Wardrobe!
Oh.
Yes.
Taken off stage. Every
Go
time.
get her. Help her.
No. No need. They knocked me to the ground. It's okay.
She's hopefully getting reborn into a real
So Maria.
person. Yes.
I need $15.99 from you.
Why is that, Molly?
I bought something worth $15.99 to impress you. And it does no such thing. Pay me.
Madam, not only does it not impress me, but it disgusts me.
Well, you need to wash your figure, so if it disgusts you, puke it all up. Go eat your cookie. Go eat your cookie.
My cookie? My cookie?
Grab, I know it's right there. Grab it. I know it is.
You know what I do? I will! Shit!
Look. Alright, now if I show you this, you will
no.
puke.
No.
So, here's the Snuggie. Look. Perfect.
Fabulous.
Alright, that's the end then.
Alright, proud of you.
Fixed it. Oh, hugs, love.
Alright,
Love,
yay,
hugs.
Yay.
Okay.
The end.
Fiend.
I hate Twilight.
Leave comments below.
Twilight was horrible.
Leave
Let
comments.
us know how you feel about Twilight.
Future episodes,
Let
how
us
we
know.
are acting.
And let us know how you feel
Your
about
love of
Twilight.
us.
And us.
Facebook.
Many
Bye.
grace. Bye.